Okay, this video is down below the 3260. Here's the panel. Closet right here. It's a pretty deep closet. Light switch. Speaker. Stereo. No, DVD player. Stereo. A bit of storage under the step. There's storage under here. And storage under this one. We do have a little portable grill under there. That tray is kind of in the way. There's more storage than that. The bee berth up front, there is a big storage underneath. Hard to open it by myself. Outlets. Switch. Galley storage. There's a hanger in there too. Another storage area. I use that for food typically. Down below the bee berth there's a pull-out drawer, really deep. Probably a good 12 inches or more. This one just is on the bottom. Storage cupboards. I haven't even looked in these. I don't even know what's in them right now. Microwave. We always put the tray, stow it away for rough seas, so it's in one of the drawers. Sliders. Both sides. Sink. I think we've used this a couple of times. Not often. We typically just prepare our food before we leave. Refrigerator. A little freezer box. This has not been cleaned out since last winter, last season. A little bit of storage area under the sink. Two pull-out drawers. And flat storage there. Going into the head. There's a storage cupboard here. Put all our shampoos, tall bottles in there typically. Again under the sink. Little shelf in the back. This does pull out and you can use it as a shower. We never have. There's a shower curtain to pull front, but again, we've never used it as a shower. In the back area. Storage there. The slats are down there to make the bed. Just a little bit more storage there. A little shelf on top. You got some electrical and another small storage area. And there's 3 slats and then two pieces come down to make the bed. This one, and then this one comes up to make the bed. They both lay across here. And that is it down below.